Assalamu alaikum, my children, and a very good morning to all of you. I hope you all are safe and healthy at your places. Now, today, the topic which I'm going to explain belongs to the same second chapter, multiples and factor, and the name of the topic is LCM. LCM is also known as least common multiple or lowest common multiples. In some of the videos or in some of the tutorials, you will see LCM as least common multiple also and as lowest common multiple also. So don't get confused. They both are the name of LCM. Now, what we are going to learn today in today's session. Today we are going to find out the LCM, least common multiple of two or more numbers by division method. Which method? Division method. Over here, the division method itself says that we are going to divide in this method. The division you have already done in your first chapter when you were doing the four operations. So it's not that difficult for you. Just you have to focus on some very important points which I'm going to give you right now. Now, moving towards next, if I ask you to find out the LCM of 16 and 28. Now the question is how you are going to find out the LCM of 16 and 28 and what will be your procedure. For finding out the LCM of 16 and 28 by division method, you have to follow some very easy steps which is present on your screen. Now what I am going to do it over here, I'm going to read one by one these steps and solve the same questions which is on your screen, that the LCM of 16 and 28 in front of you. Now, the first point over here is that write the numbers in a row separated by commas. My dear children, before starting this, make sure that whatever I'm writing it over here and however I'm writing it over here, you have to follow the same procedure if you are doing the division method. They involve some kinds of rows and columns which you have to do as it is. Now, before starting, I have to write down the question in front of the step so that it can be easy for you also to go through these points also and then look at the solution as well. Now, look at over here, children. I did the same by following the first step. I did the same over here. I have written my question in row and column form, which is known as the division method. And I have separated these two numbers by putting a comma in between. Make sure that over here, because I'm writing it on the screen, my writing is a little bit messy, so kindly please ignore that. Later on, I'm going to explain this some more examples in the copy also, so that you can learn how to do the copy work, and you will see some more examples also. Now over here, I have done with my first step that I have written the numbers in a row separated by commas in between. Now the second step says that divide the numbers by the least prime number which divide at least one of the numbers. So what does it mean dividing by the least prime number? First of all, you have to tell me what are prime numbers. In your initial topics, you have already learned the prime and composite numbers. Prime numbers are those numbers which have only two factors, and composite numbers are those numbers which have more than three factors. Over here, we just have to focus on the prime numbers like 2, 3, 5, 7, 11, and so on. Over here, they are talking about the least prime number. Least prime number means the smallest prime number. We are going to select the least prime number by looking at our numbers. Over here, our dividend is 16 and 28. So our divisor, that means the least prime number, should be that number which can easily divide these. If both of them not together, then at least one of them should be divisible by that least prime number. So over here, I noticed that 16 and 28, they both are even numbers. So I'm going to divide them with the smallest prime number, smallest even prime number, that is 2. So whatever my least prime number, whichever I have selected, I have to write it down over here. I have written 2. Now the quotient will come down. under the dividend. For example, in 2's table, 16 comes by 8. So I'm going to write down 8 under 16, comma in between again. Then 28 comes in the table of 2 by 14. So 14 should be written, the quotient should be written under the dividend like this. I'm going to draw a line to close these numbers in a row. Now, because these two again even numbers, so I'm going to divide them again with 2's. Now, in the table of 2, 8 comes by 4. So I have written 2, 4 is 8. Quotient will come down over here, comma, and 2, 7s are 14. Because one even number is still over here, so I'm going to select 2 again. 2 2s are 4, but because 7 doesn't come in the table of 2, so I'm going to write down 7 as it is. Because our third step says that the number not divisible by a prime number are written as it is, and for the other number we write the quotient. I did the same. For 4 I write its quotient, and because 7 doesn't divisible by 2, so I have written 7 as it is. I'm going to draw the line again, and then because still even number is left over here, I'm going to select 2 again, and the quotient will come 1 under 2. I got only 1 right now, and 7, because 7 doesn't divide with 2, so it is written as it is. My fourth step says that continue dividing by the least prime number till we get all ones in a row. But still, we got only 1 ones over here. 7 still need to be divided more, and you know it very well that 7 is a prime number, so it is divisible by its own table. So I'm going to write down 7 over here, draw the line again, and now because this one will come as it is, it's already converted into 1, and now the turn is for the 7 to turn into 1, because 7 ones are 7. Now I got all the ones in a row. That means I have done with my division over here. Over here, my division is done. I have brought down all the ones down in the quotient like this. Now the fifth step says that LCM is the product of all the prime divisors. So where are my divisors? These are my divisors, 2, 2, 2, 2, and 7. For finding out the LCM, I have to multiply all these prime divisors together. For that, look at my, for the last two steps, first you have to write down common multiples of 16 and 28 like I have done it over here. Then all the prime divisors will come like this. In between, the multiplication sign will be written. You are going to multiply all of them together, and your final answer 112 is your LCM. This is LCM by division method. You can have some more examples in my next video. Kindly watch those videos as well, so that this method will be more clear to you. Thank you very much.